Manubrium sternum consists of two surfaces and four borders. It has anterior surface, posterior surface, four borders, superior border, inferior border, and two lateral borders. Surfaces of manubrium sternum. Manubrium sternum has anterior surface that is convex from side to side and concave from above downward. Manubrium sternum has posterior surface. Posterior surface is smooth and concave. Borders of manubrium sternum. Manubrium sternum has superior border. Superior border superiorly is marked by suprasternal notch. This notch is also called jugular notch. On each side of suprasternal notch, clavicular notch is present. Clavicular notch articulates with the medial end of the clavicle to form sternoclavicular joint. Inferior border of manubrium sternum forms secondary cartilaginous joint with the body of the sternum. Manubrium sternum makes slight angle with the body of the sternum and is called angle of Lewis. Angle of Lewis is present at the level of second costal cartilage. Manubrium sternum has two lateral borders that have facets. Facet articulate with the first and second costal cartilage. First costal cartilage form the primary cartilaginous joint, and second demifacet, which is present at the lateral border, articulates with the second costal cartilage and form the synovial joint. See in this image that lateral borders of manubrium sternum articulates with the first costal cartilage and second costal cartilage. First costal cartilage form primary cartilaginous joint and second costal cartilage form the synovial joint, and second costal cartilage is present at the level of the angle of Lewis. Body of sternum. Body of sternum has two surfaces, two borders and two ends. It has two surfaces, anterior surface, posterior surface, two borders, these are lateral borders, two ends, upper end and lower end. Anterior surface of body of sternum has ill-defined ridges. There are three ill-defined ridges which are present on the anterior surface of body of sternum that indicates the fusion of four segments called sternebrae. 1, 2, 3, 4. Posterior surface of body of sternum is concave, slightly concave. Two lateral borders of body of sternum form synovial joint with the lower part of second costal cartilage, with the third costal cartilage, fourth, fifth, sixth, and the upper part of the seventh costal cartilage. You can see in this image that lateral border of body of sternum forms synovial joint with the lower part of the second costal cartilage, with the third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and upper part of the seventh costal cartilage. Each rib articulates with the sternum through costal cartilages. Upper end forms the secondary cartilaginous joint at the angle of Lewis or sternal angle, and the lower end form the primary cartilaginous joint. Upper end of body of sternum form the secondary cartilaginous joint at the sternal angle, which is also called angle of Lewis, and the lower end form the primary cartilaginous joint with the xiphoid process. You can see in this image that manubrium sternum and body of sternum forms the secondary cartilaginous joint. Body of sternum and xiphoid process form the primary cartilaginous joint. Xiphoid process has two surfaces, two borders. It has anterior surface, posterior surface, and two lateral borders.